Hi, I'm Eugene from Ultimate Cars. This is a 1999 Mark 3.5 Golf convertible. The gear lever gator easily pulls away from under the plastic ridge on the centre console, and the gear knob screws off counterclockwise. Then push a flat screwdriver between the retaining ring and the gator itself. It comes off and the gator comes away easily. Put on a new one. It's a little awkward lining everything up. Line up the stitching seam on the gator with the line on the ball of the gear knob. Once everything is sitting properly, screw the gear knob clockwise back on and refit the gator under the plastic ridge of the centre console. It's as simple as that. Little bit fiddly, but easy enough.